I honestly believe the results of this pen will shock you.
First and foremost, does it right. Yes, it does.
Now, in case your pen runs out of ink, you can actually untwist it and change out your ink cartridges.
Also on the inside is a 32 gigabyte micro SD card.
For the camera. Now, the question I know that you really want answers to is, does this cheap pen that has a camera on the inside even work? Here's some footage.
So, the reason I invited you here is, are you writing this down?
Yep, right.
Just know that this has to be top secret information, so no one can hear or see anything we discuss in this room.
Okay.
In fact, burn that paper.
Sure. Yeah, paper's gone. We don't need it at all, do we? You hold for 3 seconds, and that's gonna turn blue. It's gonna blink 3 times, and I think now we are recording. There you go, see, there's the camera. So we should see the camera. So as you saw from that footage, it works really well.
The video is actually 1080 and the sound is actually pretty incredible coming from a pen.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Here's what the pen looks like if you're inside of a house without a bunch of lights.
Showing you a secret room, okay?
Okay, yeah.
There's a reason we patted you down, that way you can't have anything.
KK was born from enough people were done, and there was only 1, maybe 2.
Because yesterday we built a no-go gauge.
Nice.
And here's what it looks like when it's outside in the sun.
We're gonna see if this pen can see outside at all. Got it on me right now.
Camera's on you right now?
Yeah.
Is it? Where's that? Is it right there?
Oh, it's real.